Good morning, kids and the rest of the orchard. We're going to take a couple minutes right now to look at how to make those palm crosses that you see every year at Palm Sunday and that we actually have hanging on the crosses at the orchard right now. You'll need a palm, turn it upside down. You're going to fold it about 1/4 of the way down, 1/4, so you have a really long tail dangling down. The next thing is you're going to take that tail to make the cross section. So this is what it'll look like from the back, so you can see how that has to be folded. Then I'm going to turn it so you can see what it'll look like facing you. You take that long piece and you're going to make the T, the bars of the cross. So there we go. See how I creased it? We'll do the other side and crease it as well. I try to make the two sides be about the same size. Then you're going to use this leftover T to tie it shut. I'm going to turn it around to see how to do that. You take this, you kind of make it at an angle because we're going to get it sticking out there. From there, you're going to make an X with it. I went across, up, and then back across. See the X? Now here's the fun part. You use this piece to sew the back together, kind of like if you were sewing with a needle and thread. I just made mine shorter so it's easier. You just weave it through the back and pull it through just like you're sewing fabric with thread. You can go in any direction. This part's just to make it so it doesn't fall apart. And we're just about done. I have a little piece left over. I can either tuck it in or I can tear it. And there's your cross. Have fun.